Hello everyone. In today's videos, we are going to solve this exponential equation. 3 power x square minus 7 is equal to 27 power 2 of x. Now we have to solve this. We write this as 3 power x square minus 7 as it is equal to. Now we can write as 27 as in the multiplication of 3. It can be written as 3 multiply 3 power 2 of x, or we can write it as 3 cube whole power 2 of x. Now we know that a power n whole power m is equal to a power m multiply n. Now we multiply its 3 multiply 2 of x, it become 6 of x. Now our left hand side is equal to 3 power x square minus 7. Now we know that if a power n is equal to a power p, then its base are same. Now we can compare its power, means that n is equal to p for a is greater than 1. Now here a is 3 is greater than 1. Now we can compare its power. The power is x square minus 7 is equal to 6 of x. Now we can shift this 6 of x from right hand side to left hand side. We get x square minus 6 of x minus 7 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. You can use this quadratic formula, or we can write this middle terms in such a way that its multiplication becomes 7, or we can add and subtract, it become 6 of x. Now we break down its middle terms as 7 of x plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. As minus 7 of x plus f, it become minus 6 of x, and we multiply minus 7 of x, 7 multiply 1, it become minus 7. Now we take x from here and here common, it become x into x minus 7, and from here it will take 1 common, and x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now from here x minus 7 take common, from here and here we get x minus 7 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we equate both these terms to 0. We get x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 1. And now there are two solutions, x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 1. Now we check x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 7, when we put this, it become 3. 7 square minus 7 is equal to 27 power 2 of multiply 7. It become 3 power 49 minus 7, it become 42, and it become 3 cube 2 multiply 7 14, it become 3 power 2 42. Now x is equal to 7 satisfy our given equation. Now x is equal to minus 1, it become 3 power minus 1 square minus 7 is equal to 3 cube into 2 into minus 1. Now it become 3 minus 6 is equal to 3 minus 6. Now our left hand side become right hand side. Thus x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 1 are our solution of this equation. If you are new here, you can subscribe our channel for more informative and interesting math videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.